Grabe tong kotse na to. Sobrang sarap sakyan. Talagang maximum comfort siya. Kung may free time ka, pwede mong test drive to para ma-feel mo rin. I got you, let's. And maximum comfort means magandang interior ng kotse, smooth na suspension ride, powerful na engine, at malakas sa gasolina. So this is the 2018 Lexus RX 350F Sport Automatic. Exterior-wise, fresh original paint at naka-PPF yan worth 200,000 pesos. Auto-retractable side mirrors, F-Sport badge, kumbaga sa Honda Type R to. 20 inches alloy wheels, makakapalang tires. At dito naman sa harap, LED headlight, LED day running light, LED fog lamps, iconic na grille at sporty na bumper. Pagdating naman sa engine, it's a 3.5 liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder automatic transmission, 8-speed na rin to. Gasoline engine at all-wheel drive na rin to, guys. At yung kondisyon ng makina nito, syempre dumaan na rin to sa 360 checkup natin. And so far, maayos yung makina and under chassis. So you have nothing to worry about. Pwede ka magdala ng scanner at mekaniko para sa peace of mind mo. And since all-wheel drive to, naka all-wheel disc brake na rin siya. At sa pinakalikod, all LED taillight, may rear camera, rear sensor, sporty na rear diffuser. At sa trunk, maluwag ang trunk space at power fold yung second row seat. At power adjust din yung second row seat. At sa second row, okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom. 6 patangit ko. Meron siyang built-in sunshade, 2 air vents, outlet source at armrest with 2 built-in cup holders and mini storage. At sa loob, may sunroof, heated and ventilated leather seat, leather wrap na steering wheel, may F-Sport badge, may mga controls dito, may paddle shifter, analog and digital display with 39,000 kilometers on the clock only, premium design na dashboard, may center display, Lexus analog clock, climate control, electronic parking brake, automatic transmission, joystick para sa infotainment system natin at drive mode selector. Kaya ang gusto mo ng sporty family car na mala Lamborghini Urus ang datingan, ito ang perfect car mo. For only 2,495,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. Tumawag ka na, reserve mo na to. Peace out.